Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a skincare video and I'm going to show you my winter skincare routine. Let's go ahead and get started. This is my nighttime routine. This is what I like during the winter time, and also you have to consider that I do have acne prone skin, I have mature skin, and at the same time I have oily to combination skin. But during the winter time my skin is super dry, so I think I have more of a combo skin now. The older you get, all that moisture we take for granted is so fleeting at an age over 40. Today I'm going to show you my quick and easy skincare routine. I do have a more in-depth skincare routine from makeup removal all the way to the end. My 13-step skincare routine. I'll put the video up here or link it down below. I want to preface by saying that every skincare routine is different for everyone. Every skincare product can react differently to different types of people. So we just have to be careful. You just have to find the right skincare routine for you, for your skin type. Hopefully one of these products that I recommend is going to work out for you. So let's go ahead and get started. First step is cleanser. I recently started using this Kate Somerville goat milk cleanser. Now I know Kate Somerville is super pricey. I got this cleanser in one of my Fabfitfun box add-ons. Basically this is a super moisturizing cleanser. I've been using this for over 2 weeks now and it is amazing. I'm gonna say it. This is one of my favorite cleansers of all time. This cleanser is sulfate free. The key ingredients in this cleanser is goat milk and manuka honey. Manuka honey is very good at healing the skin, calming the skin. Actually, any kind of honey is good with that. So whenever I see that honey ingredient, I get excited. Goat milk, of course, very moisturizing. I do want to warn you that the goat milk moisturizer from Kate Somerville is another item that I've tried and I hated it. It was super sticky. It was not moisturizing at all. Anyways, I recommend the cleanser. Kate Somerville, one of the best. So, oh my gosh, I just felt like this cleanser revived my skin. A while ago, it felt like cracky and stiff, and now it just came to life. That's how it feels. So the next step is toner. I gotta say, some of these products I've tried are kind of new to my collection, and so that's why I had to do an updated skincare routine. But this toner is by Pharmacy. I know my good friend Vanessa also raved about the Pharmacy brand, and she has a video that I'll link down below. Basically, this toner is one of the best that I've tried. Let me rephrase that. This is one of the best toners that are exfoliating toners. Toners that contain AHAs or BHAs. This Pharmacy contains specifically 2% BHA. The two main ingredients in this toner is papaya and moringa. Moringa helps in clearing out acne, in preventing breakouts, and it also helps in removing dark spots, blemishes, helps heal those blemishes. So it's an amazing ingredient. When I was a kid, my mom used to say, eat malunggay. Everybody tries to juice that now. If you're Filipino, you know what malunggay is, aka moringa. So it's an amazing ingredient in skincare. If you see that in any kind of skincare, grab it. It's worth giving it a try. And then papaya is a very strong exfoliator. It helps clear out those dead skin cells, which actually can help with lightening your skin tone. So I love that. What really drew me to this toner is the fact that, hello, it exfoliates, but it also balances the skin. But the feeling that it gives me is amazing. I'm not picky with toners. I have a lot of favorites. I try a lot of toners, but I have to say, this is the best one, guys. You need to get yourself this pharmacy toner. And I love the green bottle. It's glass, super fancy packaging, but the skin benefits is where it's at. And I like to apply toner on my hands. It's just more refreshing that way. And I think I put too much. It's so cooling on the skin. I love it. And that's exactly what you need, that refreshed, hydrated skin during the winter time. This skincare routine can be for all skin types, I have to say. I love exfoliating toners because I have acne prone skin, and it really helps remove that dead skin cell and give you that smoother, younger, brighter looking skin. After your toner, it's time to apply your serums. Now, serums is very specific to a person. It depends on what your skin needs are. If you have dry skin, you can use a very hydrating serum. If you have acne prone skin, textured skin, you can use serums that have acids in them. So serums are the ones that really transforms your skin. And so you need to get yourself one. You cannot skip serums, but you need to pick the one that works for you, the one that's going to give you what you need for your skin. So since I have oily, acne prone skin, I'm currently using this serum by Ordinary. Hopefully it focuses. The brand Ordinary is very inexpensive, but a lot of people love this product and it really gives results. This specific serum contains niacinamide and zinc. Niacinamide reduces inflammation. It's great at removing the redness, rosacea, eczema, all that stuff. This is very good at calming the skin. And then the zinc helps clear acne-causing bacteria and reduce oil production. So all great ingredients. There's 10% niacinamide and 1% zinc. And this product is vegan, cruelty-free, all that good stuff. The only thing I don't like about this serum is that it's a little sticky, but after you apply the moisturizer, it's all good. You can use this as a spot treatment as well, especially like, see this? I have acne scarring and it's pretty much what's left of my acne. The skin is just so much darker, so I like to focus the serum in that area, in my chin area. If you have super dry skin, I recommend adding an oil to your skincare routine, like this superfood oil by Elemis. It smells like broccoli, but it just plumps up my skin. It's that oil that doesn't make you feel super dewy, but you know, it's needed during the winter time. So that's another one that I recommend. And then this Hydrobiotic Mask is another serum by Dr. Brandt. This one really helps you maintain that moisture and keeps you hydrated throughout the day. After your serum, it's time to apply your moisturizer. This moisturizer by Clinique is an oldie but a goodie, but I have to keep repurchasing it, guys. I will never stop repurchasing it. I have oily skin and I love it. My mom, who obviously has mature skin, uses this and loves it, and she has super dry skin. So we are on opposite side of the spectrum and this works. So this is definitely great for all skin types. Clinique Moisture Surge Moisturizer. There's a reason why Clinique is still around to this day. Clinique is just consistent for me all the way. It absorbs nicely into the skin. This is not an inexpensive moisturizer though, but I feel like it's not in the luxury price range as well. So I think anybody can definitely enjoy that moisturizer. Last but not the least, you can't forget your eyes. Your eye serum. I have bags under the eyes. This is K-Beauty Hans Skin Hyaluron Serum. What I love about this is it has an eye massager. Look at that. And I'll let you guys stare at that. It's a metal massager. When you massage around the eyes, it removes that puffiness that you get when you wake up in the morning or even at night. I squeeze a little bit of the serum out, and then I just go in. And I just like to do it just around the eyes and around my orbital bone, like that. Tap it into your skin. The main ingredient in this serum is Irish moss. It's a type of algae that contains lots of antioxidants and soothing benefits. And then it also contains sodium hyaluronate, which is a type of hyaluronic acid which helps draw water into the skin. So again, there's that hydrating factor for the winter time that we all need. I'm just gonna add a lip gloss from Perfectly Posh. This one is in the flavor berry. And that pretty much completes my winter skincare routine, guys. What do you guys think? I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post videos once a week on skincare and beauty reviews. There's always something to learn here on my channel, guys. So hit that subscribe button if you're new. Join this beauty community. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.